Artificial intelligence and machine learning are no longer the future, they're the present. Every industry is adopting AI, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and robotics. But how do you build a career in this exciting field? Let's break down the complete roadmap for 2025. Step 1. Build a strong foundation. Focus on mathematics, especially linear algebra, probability, and calculus. Learn programming languages like Python, which is essential for AI and machine learning. Step 2. Master data handling. Learn how to collect, clean, and analyze data using tools like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Without data skills, AI concepts remain abstract. Step 3. Understand machine learning algorithms. Study supervised and unsupervised learning, regression, classification, and clustering. Get hands-on with libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Work on small projects like predicting student scores, building recommendation systems, or detecting patterns in data. Step 4. Dive into deep learning and AI specializations. Learn about neural networks, computer vision, NLP, and reinforcement learning. Build projects like image recognition apps, chatbots, or stock market prediction models. Step 5. Practical experience and certifications. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Google AI provide certifications. Internships, workshops, and competitions like Kaggle help you apply knowledge in real-world scenarios. Step 6. Stay updated and network. AI is evolving rapidly. Join communities, follow AI research, and connect with mentors. But here's the most important part. AI is not just about learning online. You also need guidance for courses, certifications, college admissions, career planning, and job preparation. At Allegiance Educare, we help you. Choose the best AI and ML courses and certifications based on your profile. Get college admission guidance and project support. Prepare for interviews, assessments, and job opportunities. Build a professional network for mentorship and career growth. AI is exciting, but it can be overwhelming without guidance. By joining Allegiance Educare, you get a step-by-step roadmap, practical projects, and career support that sets you apart in this competitive field. Start your AI journey today. Visit Allegiance Educare and take your first step toward becoming an AI and machine learning professional ready for 2025 and beyond.